Hi everyone, this is Ben from TestRig. In this lesson, I will show you how to use the filter in the performance section. So let's go and check it out. Okay guys, here we are, but where is the performance section? In order to see it, you have to choose a software. So in this example, I'm going to choose Fusion 360. As you can see right to the right, we can just scroll and here it is. So we have the performance, we have all the tests. Right next to the header, you can see here we have the sorting, and to the left we have the filter. Now there are a few things you have to remember regarding the filter. First, you cannot use multi-performance filtering, meaning you cannot use, for example, the open filter and the render filter at the same time. It's not going to work. Second, when hiding the filter, it's going to reset the filter, and I'm going to show you in a moment how it looks. So let's start by clicking on the filter. Now don't worry if you're clicking anywhere else, it's not going to close, okay? It's going to stay open. So I'm going to put here on the max, I'm going to put 18 seconds, and to the minimum, I'm going to put 8 seconds. Sorry, that's not 8, that's 18, 08. And here you go, you can see immediately the table has been filtered. Now, remember the max, obviously it's always the higher number. In our case, it's time, okay, what takes longer, and then the minimum, it's the lower number, okay? So it's relatively easy to remember. Now, remember I told you if I'm gonna click on the filter, let's see what's gonna happen. You see, when I close that, the filter has been reset, okay? So remember that. So we click, we can play with it, we can change it all the time. So let's just say I'm gonna put 18 here. Again, I'm gonna put here 08, been filtered. I can change that again. I can put a higher number. I just say 25, and it's, you know, the table been filtered live at the same time. So now I don't want to see it anymore, and I'm gonna close it, and it's gonna reset itself. Now in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to filter the component. And then after that, I'm going to show you how you can use both the filter on the performance section and the component together. You're going to see it working, okay? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.